Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can save your file in cloud storage. How you can save your file and how you can use this file in later. For hard disk failure and many more ways your data can be lost. You can easily recover your data with cloud. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. I'm going to open my browser and here you can see the first one is our Google Drive. And then I'm going to discuss all of this. So first I'm going to open this website, Google Drive. And here, simply click on Go to Drive. And here you can see the right side. You can also change your account like this. And then, and here from new, you can upload your file and folder. So I'm going to upload my file. You can see our file is uploaded. Now I'm going to upload my folder. And I'm going to upload this folder. Now it may take some time to upload our folder. It's show less than a minute to left. Now you can see our folder is uploaded. Go to my drive and here you can see my folder. So in this way you can easily upload your file and folder in Google Drive, and later you can also download this folder easily. You can download this in your PC. So I'm going to close this website, and the next one is Microsoft OneDrive. Go to this website. And here you need to click on sign in. Or if you want to create a new account, you can simply click on create a free account. Now from here you can see create or upload. We need to click on this create or upload. And you can also upload your files and upload your folder. So I'm going to upload my files. My file is uploaded. I'm going to close this one and go to my files. And here you can see my PDF file in here. Now I'm going to upload my folder. So select this one and you can easily upload this in your OneDrive. So I'm going to cancel this. Like you can see, you can get 5 GB free cloud storage. In Google Drive you can get 15 GB free cloud storage. And now I'm going to close this one. And the last one is our Mega.nz or Mega.io, you can say. Go to Mega.io. And here we need to click on sign up. We need to give our first name, last name and email address. I can see I log in my account. After that, in here, you can upload your file and folder, create folder, upload folder and upload file. You can select this one. So I'm going to upload my folder. So you can see it's upload my video in Mega. And you can also upload your file with Mega. It may take some time to upload your file and folder, so don't worry about that. So as you can see, our file and folder is uploaded to Mega. So I'm going to close this one, and you can see my folder in here. You can see my file also in here. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.